I tried ordering again those drawer glides, 45 centimeter, which I ordered last time from the same company, and they sent me 5 centimeters shorter ones. So let's see what they sent me now. I ordered this exactly the same product, so let's see. I also haven't returned the other ones. I will use them. I don't really care that much. But yeah, lots of packaging here. Somebody was having fun. Yeah, let's pull them out. Ugh, come on. Yeah, just one will be fine. And this one has no writing on it. That's odd. The other ones had. So maybe they sent me a different brand last time. For the same product code on the website. So yeah, this is, let's start measuring here. As you can see, 45. So this is what they should have sent me last time. And this also has the screws here. That's nice. Let's see how many screws. That's also relevant. Yep, nice little screws. Like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Just like the other ones. So that's nice. I'll leave some links below, maybe, or something. See you in the next video.